Welcome to Hard Chrome Solutions. We offer a full range of NFM Extruder Gearbox repairs on all sizes and models. Hard Chrome Solutions has a proven track record of success in major repairs and rebuilds. Our clients have trusted us with everything from simple service work to extreme overhauls, including bearing changes, full rotor repair, welding, stellite application, rotor chroming, new bronze bushings, body welding, grinding, skim cutting, and more. We specialize in bearing fits, bearing bore chroming, and precision grinding, with faster delivery times to meet higher demand. We also offer free inspections and free estimates, along with 24/7 emergency repair services. Before shipping, every unit goes through rigorous testing, so you can count on the confidence, performance, and reliability your operation depends on. Call us at 908-342-9440 or 732-895-3225 and visit us online at www.hardchromesolution.com.